without saying anything, remember I said that this property has a certain owner. I mean, there's certain things here. What do you think?
You're going to really enjoy this property tour. There's many features to enjoy, like this open kitchen and loft. Outside we have a basketball hoop, artificial turf, pool and spa. We even have the primary suite with walk-in dual showers and vanities. And also the loft area makes everything wide open. This location as well is very central, close to the airport and Las Vegas Boulevard. But if you're moving to and from the area, make sure to reach me in one of the contacts below. Enjoy the tour.
Welcome back to another beautiful property tour. Check out this sunset here. We are in Silverado Ranch. This subdivision is called Iron Horse Estates, and we have a special treat for you here. And just a little quick hint at the basketball hoop in the backyard. Maybe you could see it on the left of the property. But besides that, on this corner lot, we have some features here that I gotta point out. 3-car garage right before this cute little cul-de-sac. And check it out, the best feature so far is that there's no HOA. So great looking neighborhood here on a big corner lot. 3-car garage. But yes, this is definitely a unique one. There's a couple new features that I haven't displayed on my property tours. And I'm not saying it's a pool table. I'll tell you that I've had pool tables in the property tour, but check out this grand opening. I like the two-tone on the banister there. We have some high vaulted ceilings with the recessed lights. Okay, so we clearly have this entry as a designated spot for the pool table. This house is definitely made for entertaining, and there is going to be a special feature as to who I believe the owner is, but you'll have to wait till the end for that. Okay, so, and by the way, yeah, we're talking someone who's a celebrity. You probably know him if you know combat sports. Okay, anyway, I digress. We have a remodeled 1996 year property. The thing I like besides this super open floor plan, we have this breakfast bar, island with the waterfall, island feature vein quartz countertops. And probably my favorite feature of all is the undermounted sink. I mean, we have soft close cabinets. Okay. Uppers and lowers on this side against the wall. I know it's closer to sunset, but there's plenty of natural sunlight that's going to be beaming through here. That's a cool little chandelier and ceiling fan. But yeah, of course we have our stainless steel gas appliances. We even have, what is this, our dining room table? Kind of a tight squeeze there for my liking there in front of the fridge. This is one of these LG double tap to turn the light on there, just to get a quick preview if you still have some milk in there. We have the living room set up here, which is pretty cool because you do have a loft, which we'll head up there later. So very open. So you understand the whole entertainment aspect of it. And behind here, we have some stacked stone behind our gas fireplace. So I would try to restructure this to mount the TV. Definitely can't put it in there, but maybe rewire to have it mounted on the wall so you could have your fireplace open. But okay, so we have the pool table. We have this grand open floor plan for the kitchen, beautifully remodeled, and our living room and loft. But here's a feature that you don't see in many properties, and I'm not talking about the pool and spa, but this property actually has its own half court for basketball. So probably one of the coolest features here. And I mean, we even have lights to be able to play at this time of night or later. But what a beautiful sunset here. Just gives you a glimpse of, you know, if you were to live here, what that might feel like. You know, I know plenty of people in Las Vegas. You know, we're known for being the entertainment capital of the world, so why not have an entertainment house with its own half court basketball hoop, adjustable height. We have the synthetic grass. I know those are the neighbors' palm trees, but it's a good backdrop here. And then check out our lap pool. Well, I wouldn't consider it a lap pool, but you know, we have area to sit down, and the waterfall feature here. It could use some cleaning, but that's nothing a little elbow grease couldn't handle. Spa. So beautiful. I mean, this is proof right here. I don't really even need to say much. Yes, there's some weeds that could be removed. Overall, low maintenance for the grass. Yes, every pool has some kind of maintenance, but entertainment for the covered patio. And guess what? We have our main primary suite right here on the first level. So, how convenient is that? Just a nice little getaway to jump in the hot tub really quick with the missus, maybe. I don't know. All right, and we have dual closets. Okay, his and hers. Right on. And we have this beautiful floor to ceiling tiled walk-in shower. How many shower heads do we have here? We have 4, 2 of the waterfall style and 2 with the removable nozzle. Okay, almost thought that was the shower niche in there, niche, however you pronounce it, but that's the window. So we do have that. One thing I would consider is what it would look like building or installing a like recessed light just to have over top, because you'll see it once I back out. But beautiful, beautiful shower. Okay, and then check out our vanity here. You know what I imagine is if you wanted to make it super luxury, just have a floating vanity right there with some lights underneath with this fire shower right here. That would be the ultimate touch, but nonetheless, this is still beautiful primary suite. We got our framed mirrors, modern light fixtures as well. So beautiful, beautiful. All right, and then on this side, we do have the water closet. So we have our toilet, and then we have some cabinet space here. These look like new cabinets for towels and stuff. Okay, so I know this was the huge factor. You're gonna want to stay to the end though, because there's gonna be something I'm showing you in the garage that makes me believe that there is a certain owner on this property that makes it all makes sense about it being an entertainment property. But check out our loft. The loft that we have here. Okay, so another cool spot to hang out while you still have the openness to the great room and kitchen. And then quick poke in these bedrooms with the modern ceiling fan fixture. We have mirrored closet doors. Okay, one right off the stairway. We have a linen closet. Linen closet up here. We have our shared bathroom. So nice, cohesive vanity, mirror, light fixtures, as you saw in the primary. Even the same tiling here, but with the shower tub combo. Okay, bedroom up here near the front of the property with the standard style closet doors, and I believe the same for this bedroom as well. So here is our last feature. This is just our furnace in here, so in case you were curious. So here's the fun part, where we haven't seen the garage, but it leads me to believe, because we are in Las Vegas, and I saw this before scheduling this showing, but can't forget, we do have a half bathroom right off of the great room. So in case you were wondering, you don't have to go through the primary suite if there are visitors here. And then laundry downstairs. I mean, good for the primary owners for that on the same level. But here we go. So check out, without saying anything, remember I said that this property has a certain owner. I mean, there's certain things here. What do you think? We are in Las Vegas. This is some serious training material here. We have all the signs of ownership without it actually officially being said or being present. And yeah, little did I know that he might be a neighbor. Huh. All right, you guys. Well, if you appreciated this property tour, I would love to hear your comments, and also go ahead and like the video while you're at it. But if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe just so you don't miss property tours just like this one. Also, if you are seriously moving to and from the Las Vegas area, you might as well contact me in one of the descriptions below, and I will make the process seamless as possible. All right, you guys, I appreciate you joining me and viewing this property up until this point. I will catch you guys on the next one.